Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to do exercise of lesson number 3, that is how does a computer work. Okay, so first quickly be ready with your pencil, eraser, sharpener and book. Okay, these are the hints, means these are the answers which we have to write it here. So if you are confused with the spellings, check the spelling from here. Okay, so quickly we will start with our hints. What are these? Output, data and instructions. Okay, data and instructions, two words are there. Letters, numbers, milk, mango, sugar, input, pictures. Okay, so our first fill in the blanks is the data that we enter into a computer is known as. Now the data which we enter into the computer is known as, क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? Okay, so that are your instructions. Okay, so you have to write the spelling of instructions. You first write number 1 on the instructions and afterwards write it. Second, the dash is the result given by the computer. Computer जो result देता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is your output. Okay. Input for mango shake. You all love mango shake? Yes, I also like mango shake. So input for a mango shake is, now the first input is for mango shake, so of course mango. Then what is their shake? So it will be a milk, and to make it sweeter we will add sugar. So what we have to do? Mango, milk and sugar. We enter dash into the computer. अब कंप्यूटर में आप क्या एंटर करते हो? ठीक है, तो what you enter in computer? You enter data and instructions into computer. Okay, so what we enter into the computer? Yes, we enter input into the computer. Okay, now data can be, अब क्या रह गया हमारा? डेटा कैन बी. सो डेटा कैन बी लेटर्स. ओके, डेटा कैन बी नंबर्स, हो सकता है एज हो किसी की, वर्ड्स एंड योर पिक्चर्स. ओके, सो these are your data, letters, numbers and pictures. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks for this. Here we do the correction. One word is left, that is data and instruction. So the data we enter into the computer is known as your data and instructions. Okay? Yes. So these are the fill in the blanks. Write it with neat and clean handwriting. If required, press K key to pause. Otherwise, I am going to move on to the next section.
Write T for true or F for false statements.
Now what we have to do? We have to write T for true and F for false. The things which are wrong we will write F. Things which are right we will write T. Data typed into the computer is called output. जो हम टाइप करते हैं उसको आउटपुट नहीं इनपुट करते हैं. तो दिस विल बी योर false. Okay, we will check that. A computer is a machine. Yes. T. When a computer works on the data, it is called processing. Yes, it is called processing. We get input from the computer? No, we get output from the computer. So the first statement is false, then the true, and the last one is false. Write it properly and moving to the next section. Now you are tick the best answer. Okay, so computer will tell us whether we have done it correctly or not. Which part of a computer does all the calculations? Which part? CPU. What are the data and instructions together known as? Data और instructions एक साथ मिलके उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Input. Which part of human body works like a CPU? Our brain. Now answer the following. Mention the 3 steps process. So 3-step process for computer is input, process and output. Okay. Which part of computer works on the data to give the output? Which part of the computer वर्क कहाँ कर रहा है, प्रोसेस कौन से इसमें कर रहा है? तो दैट इज योर CPU. नेम द टर्म यूज फॉर फाइनल रिजल्ट दैट वी गेट. फाइनल रिजल्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? आउटपुट. विच पार्ट ऑफ कंप्यूटर डिस्प्लेज द आउटपुट? मॉनिटर. Which device is used to enter data into the computer? Keyboard generally. Okay. Now activity time. I know you love to do activities. What we have to do in this activity? Look at the pictures. Okay. So what are these pictures? This is your क्या क्या रखा है यहाँ? मिल्क, बॉर्नविटा, शुगर, पैन. Then your Bournvita milk, then your gas burner. Okay, what you have to write? You have to write in these 3 things ki what is input, what is your process and what is your output. Okay, so the input is your all the things. Gas burner will do process and milk is your output. But the milk should be of brown color. Okay, so this is your I, this is your P and this is your O. Let us check. It's right. Second is your clothes. Okay, then the frock and stitching clothes. So what is the input? पहले क्या लगता है हमें? Cloth. Then stitching cloth is your process and a beautiful frock is your output. So check it now. Yes, right. Now the fruit, juice and the juicer. What is the input here? Fruits. What is the process here? Juicer will extract the juice. And what is the output here? Yes, delicious orange juice. So O is your output. Okay, I am also going to enjoy orange juice after this. Let's move on to the next. Here you can download Tux Maths by visiting the site http://tux4kids along aliots.tbn.org. Okay, so have fun with the maths. You will love the maths using this Tux Maths. Goodbye for now. Take care. Bye bye.